know how to schedule and publish your Reels by using our Smart Social. In order to create your Reel, let's head over to the Create Post section. Here, all you need to do is to add the description. Once you have done, then you need to upload the media from your device. Now it's time to decide which platform you want to publish your Reel from. Our Smart Social supports Facebook and Instagram Reels. Do you know that you can put the post or any video with the range of 3 to 90 seconds with an aspect to ratio of 19:16? In this section, you can add the cover page of your Reel. For example, in Facebook, all you need to go here and to add any cover on your Reel. In Instagram Reels, we have another exciting option, which is add location into your Reel. You can type any location in Instagram. You can tag up to 9 profiles. Another thing which is very important, that video not meeting the requirement of 19:16 aspect ratio will not be uploaded. It will show the error in our Smart Social. You can add the first comment on your Reel for Facebook and Instagram. Once your post is ready, now you can save draft with the date, or you can save it for later. You can preview your Reel here in this section. This is how your Reel will look like. Now effortlessly post your Reels by using our Smart Social on your Instagram and Facebook.